Hello and welcome to Expert Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install KOPlayer Android emulator on your Windows computer. KOPlayer Android is a relatively free emulator in the world at present. KOPlayer commits itself to bring an excellent playing experience for players with more than 1 million awesome apps and games. Android KOPlayer is designed for running apps and games but works with other apps as well. It permits the integration of the gamepad so that you can delight in playing games lacking having to configure any keyboard. You can switch it to the full screen mode, which further makes it an ideal emulator for playing games on a full screen. KOPlayer system requirements. Download the Android KOPlayer simulator. How to install KOPlayer on Windows 10. After downloading KOPlayer, double-click the KOPlayer setup file to start. Select the language and then click OK. Select the checkbox I have read and accept the KOPlayer agreement and then click Next. Android KOPlayer emulator selects installation directory and then click Next. KOPlayer Android emulator installation is in progress. KOPlayer setup successfully completed. Click the Continue to Start button. Opening KOPlayer. Configure KOPlayer Android emulator. Welcome to KOPlayer, click Next. Click Next. Install KOPlayer Android emulator, choose Next. Click Next. Click Next. Select Got it. Click Sign In. Add a Google account, select Existing. Type your Google email address and then hit Enter. Click the OK button. Click Next. Android KOPlayer Google Play Store. KOPlayer home screen.